Hello everyone, today I am going to teach you how to delete your Line account. Just in case if you no longer use Line or you don't want to use Line anymore, you can delete your account without any problem. Now first of all, open Line application. Once you open the app, you can see at the very top of right side the setting icon. Click on that. Once you've clicked on settings, you can go to my info and at second accounts. Here at your general info, you can scroll down at the very bottom. You can see delete account. You click on that. They will ask you. Here you can see delete account. If you delete your Line account, you won't be able to log in with it anymore. Are you sure you want to continue? If you are sure that you want to delete your account, you click next. Here you have to click on that small white square box which says I understand that all my items will be permanently deleted. Once you've done that, you need to click on the both white small boxes and then you click on delete account. They will ask you for the last time, do you want to delete your account? You click on delete. Here, your account is in process of permanently deleting. Now, you can see your account is deleted permanently. Hope this video was useful to you. Thank you.